In this recording, I'm going to show how to edit pages on your website. The page that I'm going to edit is, here is the actual website. What I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the I'm new here page, and this is the one that I'm going to edit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to your dashboard, and I'm going to go on the left hand side. I'm going to go to pages, then all pages. I'm going to find the I'm new here page. I'm going to click on that. And anytime that you open a page where this appears, it means the page has been built with a page builder. It's a little bit more fancy page, more advanced. So we built this with a page builder. In order to edit it, you're going to have to click on this Launch Page Builder button. You click on this. And all of these, well, there's actually only one section here to edit, so you'll notice when I hover over it, a box appears around it, and the section that you're going to edit is in blue. So when I click on, I'm going to scroll up here a little bit, if I'm going to want to edit this section, I'm going to click on the wrench right here, and that will open up the text editor. If for some reason that doesn't open up immediately, sometimes that happens, scroll up a little ways and get to where you can have another wrench appearing for the row. So if this doesn't open in your text editor, go up to where it says row and click on that wrench and open up that box and just cancel out of that. And then go back to the text editor box, which is where you're going to want to edit, and click on that wrench, and this time it will open up. And here you see the text editor, just how we see in every page, sermon, event. They're all very similar, and they're all very much like Word. So again, you're going to make any changes that you want to make here. You're going to be able to put your cursor in, make any changes that you want to that, delete whatever changes, same as you would in Word. Again, what you could do if you wanted to add a picture to it, you could put your cursor where you wanted the picture to appear, click on Add Media, and you can add media from either your media library, which is where all the pictures that are on the website are stored, or you could also go to upload files and you can add them from your own computer. To add them from your own computer, you're going to click on select files. You're going to navigate to a location on your computer where that picture is stored. You're going to click on that. You're going to click on open, and then it will add that to the media library. I'm going to cancel out of here because I'm going to want to take a picture that's already on your website. So I'm going to go back to Media Library, and I'm going to click on this picture right here. I'm going to click on that. It puts a check mark by it. Now when I click on Insert into Post, it's going to add that picture in the post. And as you can see, the text has been forced down to the bottom of the picture. And if you've seen any of the other videos, you've seen me do this before. But in order to get the text to wrap around that picture more naturally, you're going to click on the picture, and now you're going to align the picture either left or right. So if I click on Align Left, the text will go up to the top of the picture, and it will all be probably more the way that you want it to look. So if I wanted to see what that looks like, how it's going to look on the actual site, I can move this editor over, and then I can scroll down the actual page, and I'm going to actually move this over here, down here, so I can see it better. And this is how it will actually look on your page itself. So you can get a better view than you can in this small text editor box. And so in order to save that to your actual website, what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this up here. I'm going to click on Save. And then in order to save it to your website, your actual web page, I'm going to go back up here into Done, and then I'm going to click on Publish Changes. When I do that, you are now exiting the dashboard and you're in the actual page itself. This is the actual website page. So now when I scroll down, I can see the changes that I made, which is that picture. So if you're not happy with that, if you want to get back into the page builder again, there's a quick way to do it. You can just go back up here to Page Builder, and you can click on where it says Page Builder right there. And then you can make any changes that you want. I'm going to want to get rid of that picture. So I go back in here. I can't do it right now. Well, this is in blue. I have to first of all go to the wrench, click on the wrench, and then now I can make any changes I want. So I'm going to want to get rid of that picture. So I click on the picture, and then I go up to the X where it says Remove, and now the picture is gone. So I'm going to save that. I'm going to go up to the top, click on Done, and then Publish Changes. And now this is the actual page on your website. Again, I've gone out of the dashboard and I'm on your actual website. And now that change that I made is gone. If you are on the actual page and you want to get back into your dashboard again, you could either go back into that page, into the page builder like this, or you could also over here hover over where it says the name of the church and then click on Dashboard. And that will get you into the main dashboard section again where you have all the different options here. So that's how you make changes to your the pages on your website.